Katie, turn around.
La, 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 la. Wait, I messed up. Let's start over.
Out.
No, we're not ready. Do yours.
Somebody scoot in. I can't get you both in there.
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me at home. You found me. You found me. You found me. I guess you didn't care, but I guess I like that. And when I felt hard, you took a step back. Without me, without me, without me. And he's long gone when he's next to me. And I realized blame is on me. 'Cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now, put me to places I've never been. Did you put me down? I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now, put me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Oh, oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. Oh, oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. No apologies, I'll never see you cry. Pretend he doesn't know, but here's the reason why. You're drowning, you're drowning, you're drowning.
My God!
Just keep going. I'm gonna start my part.
Are you laughing?
Because of our faces. We're like,
Looks like you have fat stacks.
what on what? Where do I start from?
You're drowning.
No. Wait, what's that? What's my part? Hold on. Oh,
Yeah.
wait, no.
Wait, no, it was,
Never see you cry. Okay. Dang it! I hate when it happens. Okay. Hold on.
Trouble, trouble, no apologies. I'll never see you cry. Pretend he doesn't know that he's the reason why you're drowning, you're drowning, you're drowning.
We can't do this right now. We can't be serious.
The whispers of the street.
I do not need no belt. Oh my God! Shut up! I need some cords up your nose or something. Mister.
that's no content on camera.
Okay, you can stop recording now.
We're not putting that on Facebook. I want to see it.